Hi everyone, Sarah here at the Green Executive. I wanted to show you how to handle when a invoice in your QuickBooks that originated in LMN, when that QuickBooks invoice has the wrong email address on it. So first thing you want to do is go to your CRM in LMN and make sure that email address that you need is in there. So I navigated to LMN Home or Estimating, CRM Contacts, found the contact I needed, and I'm just going to look at the contacts themselves. So let's say that Sarah is the one listed on there, but we realize she's not the one who should be getting the emails. It should be this accounts payable. All right, so we have it in here already. That's great. If not, I could add it in here. And then I need to go to the heart of that invoice, which is the job itself. So I'm just hopping over here to my other tab, and I went to, that's LMN Time, Jobs, Job List, and I found the job in question, the job that was having the invoice come over with the wrong email address on it. So when you hop into the job, right here in the overview, you'll see who the contacts are. So to switch that out to Sarah's not the one who should be getting the email, accounts payable should be getting the email, you need to do that here as the contact. So if I link this to the other contact and click OK, am I sure? I'm sure I want to do that. Yes. So now I can see that the contact here is the payable accounts or accounts payable. This is where the email for the invoice is going to go. So any invoices generated on this job are going to be sent to the email address associated with the contact listed on the job itself. If we need to update that information, that happens back in LMN Home or Estimating. Hope that helps.